If you rent and you can't install anything, no new thermostat, no wall insulation, no rooftop solar, I've got good news. You still have powerful moves that lower your bill and improve comfort. Not someday. This week. Today I'll show you the no-install action plan. Stop silent waste, fix comfort leaks, avoid expensive peaks, and use a few tiny tools that pay back fast. Most people find an energy tip online, try it once, get unclear results, and give up. That's not what we're doing today. Today we're using a simple ladder, and the order matters. Step 1. Stop silent waste. This is the fastest win and the foundation of everything else. Step 2. Control comfort without renovations. Drafts, zones, timing, no landlord needed. Step 3. Avoid peak stacking, the most expensive electricity of the day, and how to sidestep it without changing much. Step 4. Add tiny tools that automate savings, not gadgets. Leverage. Do them in this order and each step builds on the last. Skip around and you get random results. And the whole ladder is renter-proof. No tools, no drilling, no landlord permission. No modifications to anything that's not yours to modify, just moves you can make today with what you already have. Now, you might be tempted to jump straight to step 4 and just buy something. I get it. New gear feels like progress. But here's why the order matters. Step 1 costs you nothing and saves you money immediately. If you skip it, you're potentially automating waste instead of eliminating it. Step 2 also costs very little and fixes a comfort issue that no gadget can solve. Drafts make you feel cold even when the temperature is fine. Fix the draft first and you stop fighting a problem that a thermostat can't see. Step 3 is pure behavior, zero cost, zero gear. And once it's a habit, it runs in the background for free. Then step 4, the small gear investment, lands on top of a home that's already cleaner and better managed. That's when the tools actually pay back. Ladder first, tools after. Let's go. Step 1 on the ladder, stop silent waste. And this is the move that pays back faster than anything else. Silent waste is electricity you pay for while devices look off. The standby glow, the ready state, the phantom load. It adds up across every device that's finished for the day but still drawing from the wall. Here's your fast move. Pick one corner, TV corner, desk corner, or charging corner. Whichever one has the most devices sitting idle overnight. If you have a smart plug with energy metering, plug the whole corner's power strip into it. Turn everything off the normal way. Then look at the watts in the app. If you see real numbers, 5 watts, 12 watts, 20 watts, that's your hidden bill. That's what you're paying for while you sleep. Now set a schedule. Tell the smart plug to cut power to that corner at 11:30 p.m. or midnight. One tap, done. Schedules beat motivation. You won't remember to flip a switch every night. A schedule runs whether you remember or not. If you do nothing else from this entire video, do this one step. It's the fastest win, and it's completely free if you already own a smart plug. Step 2, comfort without renovation. This is where renters often feel stuck. I can't insulate, I can't change the windows. All true. But comfort is not only insulation. Comfort is drafts, zones, timing, and a few simple habits. And all of those are yours to control. First, drafts. Drafts are invisible money leaks. Cold air sneaking in, warm air sliding out. The fix costs almost nothing. Draft tape or foam weather sealing around windows and door frames, peel and stick, fully removable. A rolled-up towel along the bottom of a drafty exterior door. Heavy curtains closed at night, and keep unused room doors closed. Second, zoning. Pick one main comfort room, the room you actually spend your evenings in. Close the door. Heat or cool that smaller space. A smaller space holds temperature better and costs less to maintain. You're not giving up comfort. You're concentrating it where it counts. Third, summer comfort without installing anything. Block direct sun during the hottest part of the day. Curtains, blinds, or a temporary window film. Vent at night if the outside air is cooler. Open opposing windows for crossflow. Use a small fan strategically, not just to spin in a corner, but to move air in or out. This is calm, efficient comfort. Working with the physics and winning. Step 3, avoid peak stacking. This is the one most people have never heard framed this way, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Even if your utility doesn't charge time of use rates, running multiple high-draw appliances at exactly the same moment puts a spike on your usage that costs you. And it happens most in the evening, when everyone comes home at once, tired and hungry, and does everything simultaneously. Here's what accidental peak stacking looks like in a real apartment. Kettle boiling, oven preheating, microwave running, all at once. Each device alone is fine. 3 or 4 together at the same moment is your electricity usage spiking. And in many billing structures, spikes cost more than sustained, steady use. The fix is simple, and it costs nothing. One heavy device at a time. Sequence it. Boil the kettle, then start cooking. Run the laundry, then make dinner after. You're not giving anything up. You're just shifting the timing by 15 or 30 minutes. And over a month of doing this consistently, the smoothed usage adds up to real savings, small change, big impact over time. Step 4, tiny tools that make savings automatic. And I want to be honest about this. You don't need to buy anything to benefit from the first 3 steps. Those are free. But if you're going to invest a small amount, 30 to 50 euros or dollars, here's where to put it for the best return. Item 1, a smart plug with energy metering. This is the single most useful tool in the Renter Toolkit. It measures what's really happening and lets you schedule power off automatically. One smart plug pays for itself quickly in the waste it eliminates. Item 2, draft tape or a door draft blocker. Eliminates a comfort and efficiency leak immediately. Fully removable. Item 3, a quality LED lamp. Swapping out old bulbs is the quietest, easiest win you'll find. Optional, a power strip with a physical switch. For your TV corner or desk corner. One flip and everything's off. No app. No setup, just a switch. That's the kit. 4 items, affordable, removable, renter-proof. The goal isn't buying gadgets. The goal is making savings automatic, so you don't have to rely on willpower or memory. That's leverage. Here's the part that makes the latter worth doing in order. When all 4 steps are running together, they compound. Step 1 cuts the silent waste. Step 2 fixes drafts and zones comfort. Step 3 smooths the peaks. And Step 4 automates the savings. What that looks like in practice. A month in, your bill is lower. 2 months in, the habits are automatic. 3 months in, you've probably forgotten how much manual effort it used to take. That's the power of the ladder. Not one dramatic change. 4 small ones running quietly in the background every single day. Before you go, 3 quick mistakes that block the savings even when you're doing everything else right. Mistake 1, measuring too early. Give it a full billing cycle, ideally 2. Savings compound over weeks and months, not days. Mistake 2, fixing one corner and forgetting the others. Step 1 is most powerful when you apply it to your 2 or 3 main corners. Let the wins stack. Mistake 3, buying the gear before doing the free steps. Fix the foundation first, then buy leverage on top of it. Automate first. Forget about it. Let it run. That's the whole mindset. So if you can't install anything, here's what you do instead. Stop silent waste. Fix the drafts. Avoid peak stacking. And automate one corner with a schedule. 4 moves, no tools, no permission required, and the results show up on your bill, not someday, but over the next month. I'm Alma, Smart Energy, no drama. See you next time.